Yeah, so Autumn, get away from there. Autumn, you're gonna give him a heart attack. So we had no Autumn, don't touch the bird. Don't touch the bird. We got a bird going in the house today. The door's right over there. Get at. There you go. There you go. He's out of there now. He's out of there. That was pretty funny, huh?
Yeah.